Never-ending influx of monetary resources. It's a common mental block to believe that one can never have enough money. This way of thinking arises when one's financial situation is unstable, and bills go unpaid more often than not. If your income fluctuates wildly or if you regularly bring in less money than you spend, it can be challenging to avoid developing a scarcity mentality. The temptation to spend unexpected wealth as soon as possible is strong because of the unpredictability of future financial gains. This actually stems from a lack mentality. Lack mentality is a learned behavior which basically has you living paycheck to paycheck and makes you feel depressed or angry since you never feel that you are a good provider. The best way to defeat this thinking is to unlearn the behavior. Here are some ways to get started with doing just that. Number 1. Believe that it is possible to earn more money. People who are stuck in this lack mentality pattern should try to teach themselves to be open to new perspectives. That is to say, in terms of monetary gain, there is always room for enhancement. Start believing that there is constant access to opportunities and support is guaranteed. Eventually, you will notice that when you keep an attitude of plenty, your actions will reflect that. Instead of hiding your money under the mattress out of fear, you'll start putting money into improving yourself and your business. This may mean buying new equipment, making investments, getting dressed to host Zoom calls when working from home, setting up automatic savings withdrawal from your checking account on paydays. This type of action with your money will cause it to grow, allowing you to earn more in the future. Number 2, believe that if you just wait for the money, it will come to you. It's tough to see the bright side of life when you can't stop worrying about your unmet needs and have no idea how you'll pay your bills. However, worrying about money won't get you anywhere. Turn your focus away from that and onto something else. Do not waste time worrying about things you cannot change. While it's unrealistic to expect an immediate improvement in your financial situation, you can work on developing a more optimistic outlook. Thinking about what you can influence instead of what you can't alters the dynamic of the situation. At this very moment, your skills, and the extent to which your resources can help you will be put to the test. Put away your pessimistic outlook and make room in your heart for a mindset of plenty. The removal of this roadblock will give you a fresh perspective on your financial situation. Number 3, don't make any additional efforts. A monetary roadblock may cause an incorrect inference. This way of thinking can send you spiraling and put you back into the paycheck-to-paycheck routine again. You will start thinking that all the money you need can be found if you just put in more time and effort. This way of thinking is just trading time for money. You think that if you're having financial difficulties, it's a sign that you need to step up your game. Due to this misunderstanding, many freelancers continue to work long hours despite the danger of burnout. This also means you've just traded working for a boss at a company for working for another boss, namely you. That's not why you became a freelancer. Hard work and persistence are not traits that should be avoided. But if your efforts aren't paying off, you shouldn't keep at them. The amount of work you put in is just one factor among many that will determine whether or not you become a successful freelancer. It's all about being organized so that peak times can actually boost your business success. Now think about the following questions and write the answers in your files or journal. Number 1, just how do you feel that you are being held back by a scarcity mentality? Number 2, are you of the opinion that there is always room to increase one's financial success? Number 3, do you know what it's like to truly have money flow to you? Number 4, when do you find yourself tempted to fall into the trap of working harder instead of smarter? Number 5, to improve your hustle in the future, what would you change? Well, that's it for this week's episode.
Okay, that's all for this episode. If you want to learn more about how you can get your freelance business off the ground, head over to the IVA Hustle on Gum Road and grab yourself the IVA Hustle Freelance Business Startup Kit. The IVA Hustle Freelance Business Startup Kit will teach you how to gain the freedom and flexibility of being your own boss and create a life you'll love. It will go over the correct steps to start your business with the skills you already have. Grab the discount code in the description below and save on your copy of this dynamic kit. Looking for some freelance business ideas? You can also grab a copy of the IVA Hustle Big Book of Freelancing from Amazon. It's full of startup ideas including instructions to start freelancing quickly using the skills you already have. You'll find the 27 ROP side gigs for today's freelancer markets inside along with step-by-step instructions for getting up and running fast with your business. Remember, you need more than one stream of income to stay afloat in today's world. Why not pick up copies of the IVA Hustle Breaking Your Money Blocks Planner and the IVA Hustle 30-Day Freelance Business Money Mindset Challenge Guide, both available on our Gumroad page. For more information about IVA Hustle, visit us at ivahustle.com or click the link in the description below. Again, if you found the information helpful, please hit the like button. It lets us know what kind of content to produce to help hustlers like you. While you're doing that, please share this video to help others learn more about being an expert freelancer. This way you'll be able to show yourself as someone who knows how to find the facts and substantiate their expertise. We invite you to subscribe and tap the bell icon to be notified when we upload new content. Please visit the IVA Hustle's Gumroad page for ebooks, merch, and reports. Thanks for watching and be sure to check out our other videos. Until next time, hustlers.